Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and it's still warm out here today. We're feeling pretty good. I wanted to first talk about my new website, www.mobilehomemama.net. Several of you have sent me a personal message, and if you go and leave your information there, I will give you a personal phone call. Now on to this baby. We have a home called the Howe that's a 16 by 76, and that retails for about $85. There is a smaller version, which is this one. I call it the Baby Howe. I've done a video on it, but I haven't gotten much interest in it. I wanted to see how you guys feel about it. It's the smaller version, so 16 by 76, 3 bed, 2 bath, and I just think it's the cutest floor plan. The larger version has been very popular, and when we get on the inside, if you love browns, oh mama, this is the home for you. We've got Wedgewood Blue on the outside, and we've done a little thing on the end wall here, a little chevron over the window. This is bedroom number 3. We're gonna see when we get on the inside. Another thing that they've done is they've popped it out with some white corner posts. That's always an attractive feature. And smart cookie, we've got OSB wrap all along underneath of the siding, underneath the Tyvek weather wrap actually. Black shutters and the white trim around the top. You can see a couple of the homes in the lot. We're starting to see that black trim package. I just did a video a couple days ago with that black trim package, so that's going to be a new thing in 2025. Let's go inside and take a look. I can tell from the outside right away we've got a package, pier savers, and this is called a reverse aisle, so we've got both doors on the same side. You can do that with any floor plan in a single wide, and also you can flip end to end in a double wide. So you need to be mindful of your utilities and how things are laid out on your property. That's why people do that. One of the reasons. Walking in, we're gonna walk right into the living area space. This is a nice size space, and we've got 30 by 61 windows, 3 of them. Well, yeah, then you got the bedroom windows. So 2 here and 1 in the living room. And I'm gonna tell you guys, today is my last day as an Android phone user. I am upgrading my life to Apple tomorrow, so I'm excited to see the quality of the videos. We've got a ceiling fan. You can put those anywhere. And look up at the ceiling. I don't know if you can see it. We've got can lights galore. So this customer has probably added a can light package. You get 10 for $388, and it's a great investment because individually they're 109 a piece. Now remember, I told you about the browns. Wow, and here they are. Sometimes it's hard to tell between a Timberwolf color and an urban oak. I'm gonna say this is urban oak, but in the light, it's tough to tell. No, this is Timberwolf. Let's go with Timberwolf. Desert Springs on the countertop. This is going bye-bye. We've got crescent edging, and very, very soon, guys, you're gonna see homes popping up with the new colors. Black cabinet handles. I love this pantry right here. If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna find a Lazy Susan. Oh, they left it out. You can get a Lazy Susan in there. One of my fave features, cabinets to the ceiling. 42-inch cabinets all the way up. We've got a laminate backsplash. We've got some kind of a package here in the appliances. I'm gonna guess a 20.5 cubic foot on the refrigerator with an ice maker installed, microwave, dishwasher. And one of the key features of the Howe and of this Baby Howe is this island right here. It is included. Anytime you find a sink in the island, it's gonna be included, and is always the focal point of the kitchen. In the living area, I'm seeing some perimeter heat, also some mini blinds in there. Let's head back towards the secondary bedrooms. All right, this baby is hot off the press. You can tell because the floors are all slicked out. Coming into bedroom number 2. You guys have asked me to start showing the closet area. Typical closet size in a single wide, no matter what the size of the home is gonna be that closet. Now you can do some adjustments. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. A window in the hallway, I love it. Look at the difference, you guys. Just standing back, what a difference that little bit of light does. It just brightens everything right up. I love it, I love it. Always, always, always. If you have any type of hallway, put a window in there. Here's bed number 3. Remember, the chevron on the outside is going to be right over this window. And then this closet is exactly the same size as in bedroom number 2. Typical, typical, typical. And you're going to see a lot of people lately have been asking me about electrical outlets. They're everywhere. There's a HUD building code. I want to say it's every 4 feet. Don't hold me to that, but I'm pretty sure it's every 4 feet you're going to see an electrical. And then also within so many feet of every door. Here's bath number 2. An 019 over the cabinet linen closet. Standard tub shower combination right here. They have added a shower curtain rod. Trimmed out mirrors. This is such a pretty feature. I love that too. Hi everybody. Got my winter gear on. Even though it's 40 out, my goal is to try to at least pop in one a day. Now, I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes. So I'm not just a mobile home mama. My name is Christina, and I help people build houses. They come and see me from all over the country, specifically the Great Lakes states. Now remember, we put both doors on the same side. So in the typical floor plan, the normal floor plan, this would be the back door. But instead, this customer has opted to put a window. I love it. All of the light. Washer dryer cabinets. So it's nice to have your utility room separate with a door that you can shut off so people don't see your business, right? Here's the hutch, and you know my favorite part of the hutch is this pleated glass right here. Love that. And another great option, or not an option, it's a standard feature of this floor plan, is a pantry. You're not going to see a pantry in all the single wides, so when you do, it's something to notice. Here's the second back door, and then here's the primary bedroom. Thunder on the floor, we're keeping that. That's been our most popular floor all year long. White wrap profile trim. Here's the primary closet. I believe there's going to be a water heater back here. Yep, there it is. Still plenty of space for your clothes though. There we go. Primary bedroom. Here comes the primary bath. The brown looks really good in here, I'm going to say. Another window in the bathroom. Great job. You are going to have a lighted bath fan that does vent all the way out. That's part of our light and vent schedule. That's a HUD building code as well. Tub shower combination. And another shower curtain. Can light over the shower. I always encourage my customers to add those. Add a can light over the shower. All right, let's take one more walk through and slow it down so you guys can get a good look. I was watching some of my old videos and I was like, wow, Christina, you are all over the place. So let's just try to slow it down a little bit. I should be slowing it down. It's the winter time, well, the off season. And this is the only time of year that I get to take a breather. How beautiful is that? $16 by $66. I don't have a price for you guys because I've never added it to the lineup yet. If you think I should, I would love to. Just let me know. I want to make sure that I'm building the floor plans that I have on there. So if you think this is a great option, please. And just because you may not like the colors that are in here, we can change that. We could put grays in here. Whites. We've got a lot of classic stuff coming. I've got 3 new show homes ordered. So it's the time to visit. I would say they'll be here in about 6 weeks. Give me a call. I'll put you in a nice hotel and you can see what's new for 2025. As always, everybody, thanks for watching.